Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You want power now? First, confirm your phone or laptop supports fast charging protocols like PD or QC, and note the max wattage. Plug the certified charger and cable directly into a wall outlet. Avoid USB hubs. Once connected, close background apps and enable airplane mode or low power mode to cut consumption. This reduces energy drain so input goes straight to the battery. Make these steps immediate, so the charger delivers full available current from the start. Once charging begins, you must manage thermal and electrical conditions. Place the device on a cool, hard surface to dissipate heat. Temperatures above 35 degrees C force throttling and slow charging. Make sure Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and other radios are off so the charger isn't compensating for extra draw. If your charger or phone has a high current or fast charge toggle, enable it now. These adjustments keep the charging curve high and stable through the middle phase, so you gain charge efficiently. As you approach 80 to 90%, fast charging typically tapers. Let the charger slow fill the last portion to protect battery life. If charging stalls or is unusually slow, swap to a different certified cable, try another wall outlet, or briefly restart the device to clear software issues. Make sure you monitor device temperature. If it gets too hot, disconnect and let it cool before resuming. This quick troubleshooting step fixes most interruptions and gets you back to fast charging.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.